how to change the background, how to add border or outline, and how to sort your paragraph or your items in a list. In this video, we are going to talk about all of these. So if you want to learn them, let's start. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is Wali Ahmad Mohammadi, and in this video we are going to talk about how to change the background of your text and also how to add border or outline around your paragraph or text, and also how to sort your items in a list or your paragraph. So the first section we are going to talk about is how to add a background to your paragraph. As you can see, I have 5 paragraphs here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I just made these paragraphs with the rand command I have taught you before and I have told you before. Just I will write rand and this command. It will give me 5 paragraphs. Now I will click and select all this paragraph. Go to this section, and I will choose one of these colors that I need to have for this paragraph. The second paragraph is going to be this one. I should tell you that if you choose a dark background like this, something, that your text is going to be light, the color of your text. But if the background of your text is light, so the color of your font or the color of your text is going to be black. That's the section and the thing the Word program gives us. Now I will make this justified, and you can see I have the best fonts here. The second color is going to be this one, this white a little, and it's too light. Now the third section that I'm going to use is this one. That's great. That was it. You can use yourself to choose any color if you want. If you do not want to have color, just click on no color. If you want to have more colors, or if you need a color that doesn't in this section and you cannot see that here, just place on more color. Now you can make a color yourself. For example, this one. I will choose it here. Now you can see the color I made with Word program. Just I went here and then add this color. That wasn't in this section. The next thing that we should learn is how to make outline or how to put border around our paragraph. For example, I will just choose these 2 paragraphs together. Now I will come to this section. I can add bottom border, top border, left border, right border. For the first section, I will just click on bottom border. Now you can see that I have a line at the end of this paragraph or at the bottom of this paragraph. Now I can also add top border. You can see I have both, and left border and right border. If I do not want any border, just I will click on no border. If I want border around all the paragraphs, I will just click on all borders. About the borders, I should tell you that you will learn much more, inshallah, in the tables section, how to make tables. And inshallah, in that video and in that section, we will talk much more about the borders, and you will learn a lot. Inshallah, in that section, I will talk a lot about all border, outside borders, inside border, and much more. Now I will click on no border. And if I just want border around my paragraphs, just I will click on this outside border. Now you can see that there isn't any border inside of our paragraphs. The second section that I'm going to tell you, there is some time that I want and I need to separate my paragraphs from each other. For example, I want to separate this paragraph from these paragraphs too. Now I'm just going to add a horizontal line or a line that separates these paragraphs from each other. Just I will come here, and then you can see that I have a horizontal line. I will just press it. No, so sorry. Where is my cursor? My cursor is here. I will click and add horizontal line. Now you can see that there is a line after this paragraph and also before this paragraph. Let me add another horizontal line here to be much more appear. You can see that there is a line before and after this paragraph. That was it. The second section that I'm going to talk about is this one. How to use from this right to left and left to right. There are some times that you are going to write or type in multi-languages. So there are some languages that you start from the left for writing and go to the right. For example, English is like that. I write from left to right. For example, this is English language. English is left to right, and there are some languages that you should write them or type them from right to left. So in that time I should not click here and I should use from right to left section. For example, Persian, Arabic, and there are some other languages that you should write them from there. You should type them and choose from right to left instead of left to right. If not, you will face to a problem that now I'm going to tell you. For example, I'm going to write Persian in زبان فارسی است. Now, if I add an English language here, you can see that I can do that very easily. This is Farsi language. Now just I will close this thing that I made. If I write like this from left to right, you can see that I have such a problem. Now I can just solve that with this right to left section that I have here. The next thing that we should learn, let me add another here. I'll just come this. You should go to this part. And I will go to this section here. Okay. The next that I'm going to tell you is how to sort a paragraph, a list, items, tables, how to sort that, how to have A in the first and Z at the last item. Now let's make a list to learn that easily. I'm going to add some names. For example, John. Let's make it a list. Let's press here to have a list. John, Mike, Sarah, Ahmed, Ollie, and also Zara. This is going to be my list, and I want to sort that to have Ali in the first and Zara at the last. Now, how I can do that? I will select all of this, go to the sort section, and now what's going to be my paragraph? It's going to be the paragraph. Yes, I will choose this. And what's this? It's going to be text, number, or date. Now I will just choose the text because these items were text. And how you can sort that? You can sort that in two sections and two tabs: ascending and descending. Ascending is A to Z, and descending is going to be from Z to A. Now I will choose this. You can see A is the first, H the next one, J, M, S, Z, and so on. If I go here, let's press on descending, you can see that Zara is the first and Ali is the last one. For this video, I think it's enough. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to talk about the styles. Have a great time. Inshallah, we are going to see you in the next video.